Hello everyone, this is Himachal 365 and you're watching Hillquest News channel. Let's start with the headlines. 153 new cases, 2 deaths in Himachal Pradesh. Anti-encroachment drive in Shimla leads to ruckus. Border roads to be strengthened in Himachal Pradesh, says the Army Chief. BJP focuses on strategy to win 3 by-polls in Himachal Pradesh. Himachal by-elections, BJP says the candidates yet to be finalized. Power projects not good for Lahul Spiti, Gadkari urged. Farmers to protest at Punjab and Haryana Raj Bhavans in Chandigarh today. Goa-bound Rajdhani Express derails inside tunnel in Maharashtra, passengers safe. Navy's Galwan deployment showed our intent, says Rajnath. ED arrest 2 ADs of Anil Deshmukh. Now news in detail. 153 new cases, 2 deaths in Himachal Pradesh. As many as 153 COVID cases were reported in the state, taking the tally to 2,01,363. Besides, 2% died of the virus in the past 24 hours. 1 death each was reported in Mandi and Sirmaur, raising the total number of fatalities to 3,449. There were 35 cases in Chamba, 23 in Kangra, 22 in Mandi, 18 in Bilaspur, 16 in Kullu, 10 in Shimla, 9 in Una, 7 each in Solan and Kinnaur, 5 in Hamirpur and 1 in Sirmaur. The number of cases continued to decrease and as a result, the total active cases declined to 1,956. As many as 318 recovered in the past 24 hours. Anti-encroachment drive in Shimla leads to ruckus. An anti-encroachment drive carried out by municipal corporation led to a ruckus in city's Lower Bazaar. While the municipal corporation officials claimed that the shopkeepers resisted the drive and even tried to intimidate them. The shopkeepers alleged that the farmer picked goods from inside their shops and did not even give them the receipt of the articles picked from their shops. Later, the municipal corporation returned the articles after issuing challans to as many as 26 shopkeepers. If someone is found guilty of encroachment again, the confiscated articles will be auctioned, said the Municipal Corporation Joint Commissioner Ajit Bhardwaj, who led the drive along with additional Commissioner Joginder Chauhan. Bhardwaj said that the drive was launched following complaints from people that shopkeepers had covered a lot of portion of the road with their goods and it was getting tough to walk through the bazaar. Border roads to be strengthened in Himachal Pradesh, says the Army Chief. The Chief of the Army Staff, General M.M. Narwane, said that the Indian Army had prepared a plan to strengthen the road network along the border areas of the state, which would help promote development activities and contain migration. General Narwane called on Governor Bandaru Dattatreya at the Raj Bhavan and held a detailed discussion on various issues related to the development of border areas of the state. He said that the army was capable of giving a befitting reply to every nefarious attempt of any enemy. As far as the border with China was concerned, talks were going on and there was nothing to worry, he added. BJP focuses on strategy to win 3 by-polls in Himachal Pradesh. The 2-day meeting of the extended core group of BJP began yesterday under the chairmanship of B.L. Santosh, National General Secretary of the party. Most senior leaders of party like party in charge of Himachal, Avinash Rai Khanna, co-in charge Sanjay Tandon, Chief Minister Jairam Thakur, former Chief Minister Prem Kumar Dhumal, Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs Anurag Thakur, and all ministers of the Himachal cabinet attended the meeting. The party leaders dwelled on strategies for winning the forthcoming by-elections to the Fatehpur and Jubbal Koटखाई assembly constituencies and the Mandi parliamentary constituency. The BJP leaders don't want to leave any stone unturned to win the by-election, as these would set the tone for the assembly election to be held next year. Himachal by-elections, BJP says candidates yet to be finalized. No candidate has been shortlisted for the forthcoming by-election in the state. The names of the candidates will be considered once the by-elections are announced, said state BJP spokesperson Randhir Sharma while addressing media person. He said that in the extended core group meeting being held at Dharamshala, the senior BJP leaders would discuss the report card submitted by the party MLAs in the meeting held in Shimla recently. He said that a divided Congress in the state was no match for the BJP in the assembly election due next year. The various splinter groups of the party in the state were constantly fighting with each other while the BJP worked as an organized party. The divided Congress would offer no challenge to the BJP in the next assembly elections, he claimed. Power project not good for Lahaul Spiti, Gadkari urged. Resident of Lahaul Spiti yesterday submitted a memorandum to Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari against the proposal of the state and central government to set a power project on the Chenab River. Gadkari, on a tour of the Lahaul Valley, was accorded a warm welcome at Sisu by the resident of Lahaul Spiti. A delegation of the Tandi Bandh Sangharsh Samiti Lahaul Spiti, led by its president Vinod Larji, met the union minister and submitted the memorandum. Pirdi Lal, a spokesperson for the Samiti, said, "We apprised the union minister that the state and central government were keen to set a power project on the Chenab in Lahaul and Spiti. There are around 16 mega power projects and 30 micro power projects proposed on the Chenab, which will prove disastrous for the area residents." Farmers to protest at Punjab and Haryana Raj Bhavans in Chandigarh today. The Samyukt Kisan Morcha SKM has put everything in place to hold a protest at the Raj Bhavans of Punjab and Haryana in Chandigarh today. Thousands of farmers from Haryana will enter Chandigarh from the Panchkula side, while those from Punjab will come from the Mohali side. The Morcha had announced to observe June 26 as Kheti Bachao Loktantra Bachao, Safe Farming, Safe Democracy Day on completion of 7 months of the farmers' protest and the 47th anniversary of emergency in India. Goa-bound Rajdhani Express derails inside tunnel in Maharashtra, passengers safe. Goa-bound Rajdhani Express from Hazrat Nizamuddin derailed inside a tunnel in Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra early on Saturday. But there was no report of injury to any passenger, an official said. The train number 02414 was going to Madgaon in Goa when it derailed inside Kurbude tunnel, approximately 325 km from Mumbai around 4:15 am. A spokesperson of the Konkan Railway, which operates the route, said a boulder had fallen on the tracks which led to the derailment. Navy's Galwan deployment showed our intent, says Rajnath. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Friday said that the Navy's forward deployment showed the country's intent and readiness during the Galwan incident amid the military face-off in Ladakh between India and China. The Navy's proactive forward deployment signaled our intent that we seek peace but are ready for any eventuality, he said during a visit to Kochi to review the construction of the upcoming indigenous aircraft carrier IAC. ED arrested 2 ADs of Anil Deshmukh. The Enforcement Directorate ED on Saturday arrested 2 ADs of former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh in connection with an alleged Hafta case, officials said. They are Kundan Sindhe and Sanjeev Palande, working as personal staffers with Deshmukh, a senior leader of the Nationalist Congress Party. The action came a day after the ED carried out raids on the Nagpur and Mumbai residences of Deshmukh besides his ADs and associates, sparkling protests from the ruling Maha Vikas Aghadi MVA. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hillquest News channel. Thank you.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना, समाचार, मनोरंजन, एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है हिमाचल 365 टीवी।
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I am Garima.
मैं अनुराग।
मेरा नाम है आशीष।
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज। हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ। राजनीति, सामाजिक सरोकार, खेल, कला, संस्कृति, खेत, बागान, अपराध, सजा, विकास और रोजाना हलचल के साथ हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ।